we are all at risk. This includes individuals, infrastructure, businesses, communities, and nations. The global IoT market is expected to reach 75.4 billion devices by 2025. These devices will heavily rely on various IoT protocols, especially in vital sectors such as manufacturing and healthcare. However, this interconnected ecosystem has led to a growing threat: cybercriminals exploiting vulnerabilities in IoT protocols. Not only does this situation pose significant risks to our infrastructure, but it also jeopardizes the safety and well-being of individuals, the stability of businesses, the cohesion of communities, and even the security of entire nations. With the increasing number of cyber threats, we require a greater number of skilled IoT security professionals to protect our infrastructure and products effectively. To meet this pressing demand, we are excited to introduce our cutting-edge solution, EXPLIoTAcademy's Practical IoT Protocol Hacking course. This comprehensive course is specially designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to safeguard critical sectors from IoT cyber threats. Let's delve into the key highlights of this transformative course. Understanding secure connections between nodes using MQTT and CoAP. Executing reconnaissance techniques to identify potential vulnerabilities in established connections. Attacks on MQTT and CoAP protocols. Implementing defensive strategies to thwart attacks on established connections. This course is tailor-made for beginners who want to start their journey in IoT security, cybersecurity professionals interested in IoT security, network engineers interested in IoT networks and securing them, security auditors interested in IoT security. As we face this rapidly evolving landscape, we must act decisively. Are you prepared to take the next step towards becoming an IoT cybersecurity expert and safeguarding the connected world? Waste no time and enroll in our Practical IoT Protocol Hacking course today.